Hello friends! Welcome to the Great Ocean Race. Today you're going to practice 2 important grammar rules while listening to an exciting story. What will you learn? Past simple and past continuous. What happened versus what was happening. And conditionals. What will happen if? Stay super focused. Every time you see this symbol, repeat out loud. And at the end, answer the final questions in your notebook. Are you ready? Let's dive into the ocean adventure. Dylan the dolphin and Sammy the shark met near the coral reef. I am quick, but you are faster than me, Sammy. Of course, sharks are the fastest hunters in the ocean. The other sea animals heard them and laughed loudly together. Only the octopus said, "Then prove it! Have a real race across the ocean." And Tina the turtle answered, "Yes, the winner will be the fastest swimmer under the sea." Dylan and Sammy shook their fins quickly and agreed. The ocean race will begin at sunrise tomorrow morning. The next morning, the ocean was the calmest it had been all week. While the fish were sleeping, the race finally began. Sammy swam faster than ever, moving ahead of Dylan immediately. "This is too easy. I am already the fastest swimmer here." But then a jellyfish floated gracefully into Sammy's path. Sammy saw the jellyfish and decided to stop. "If I am the fastest, I have time to rest." "Hey, Jelly, what are you doing here?" "I am the slowest animal in the race, but I dance beautifully." Sammy watched as the jellyfish spun slowly in the water. "That looks fun. If I move gracefully, I will still win." Dylan saw Sammy dancing and swam past him quickly. Dylan took the lead while Sammy was still spinning around. Realizing his mistake, Sammy shook his head and raced forward. "If I swim my fastest, I will catch him again." Sammy accelerated and passed Dylan once more. Now Dylan was behind and thinking fast. "If I swim too fast, I will lose all my energy." Suddenly, a whale appeared in front of him, struggling with seaweed. "Oh dear, I am the biggest, but I am stuck." Dylan had a choice. Should he help or keep swimming? "If I help her, I might lose the race. But if I don't, she will stay trapped." Dylan quickly pulled the seaweed away and freed the whale. Thank you. As a gift, I will sing you my fastest song. The whale sang the loudest song in the ocean. Wow, this makes me feel stronger. I can win this. While Wendy was singing, Dylan swam the fastest he ever had. Sammy heard Wendy's song and stopped again. That sounds beautiful. If I listen, I will feel relaxed. But while Sammy was listening, Dylan passed him again. By the time Sammy realized his mistake, it was too late. The finish line was the closest it had ever been. Dylan jumped out of the water and crossed first. I did it! I am the fastest swimmer today. The winner of the Great Ocean Race is Dylan the dolphin. Sammy swam up and sighed deeply. I was the fastest, but I got distracted too much. If you had focused, you would have won the race. You are still faster than me, Sammy, but I was smarter today. And that is why Dylan wins the Golden Seaweed Crown. Well done, guys. Now time to practice. If you want to master the past simple, past continuous, and conditionals, you can try to do the 2 activities we have in the description or use our books. See you soon!
Bienvenidos a Funny Friends School, el primer método de inglés público para niños. Si quieres que tus alumnos o tus hijos aprendan más rápido y mejor, solo tienes que seguir nuestro método. Ver 4 vídeos a la semana de 1 a 2 veces, para que integren de manera natural el vocabulario y la gramática. Todo está adaptado por etapas y siguen currículums oficiales, haciéndolo muy compatible con todos los programas escolares. Aquí vas a encontrar vídeos creativos para aprender vocabulario de forma algorítmica y súper divertida. Historias interactivas para practicar la producción y leer en voz alta. Y por último, la gramática, explicada de una forma muy divertida. Los niños que ven nuestros vídeos aprenden a hablar y a leer de forma más intuitiva y rápida. ¿Cómo puedes hacerlo? Visita nuestra web. Ahí lo verás todo por niveles, por unidades y por semanas. Muy fácil de seguir. Entra en nuestra comunidad gratis para recibir atención personalizado. Solo tienes que rellenar el formulario que dejamos aquí abajo. Consigue nuestros cuadernos, nuestros libros, tanto en la escuela como en casa, para cerrar el ciclo y practicar un poquito más. Y por último, te puedes inscribir en nuestros cursos online que abrimos 4 veces al año para niños de entre 6 a 12 años. Suscríbete al canal y asegura que los peques aprenden el inglés de la mejor manera que puedes.